देख पाओ उसको। ओके, लैन 1 में आपने क्या लिया, 10.0.0.0/24, ये वाला नेटवर्क आपने ले लिया लैन 1 में। फिर लैन 2 में आपने नेटवर्क लिया 10.0.1.0/24। दिस टू नेटवर्क यू हैव क्रिएटेड फॉर दैट राउटर। जो आपने बीच में राउटर लिया ना, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट फॉर यू। So for example, this is the router, for example, you have taken. So any router we can take. I'm taking 1941 router. So this is, for example, I have taken. मैं दो मॉड्यूल अटैच कर रखता हूँ, बाद में मेरा काम आ जाएगा। एंड नॉर्मली दिस इज हाउ वी एक्चुअली कॉन्फ़िगर। तो इसीलिए मैंने पीसी लिया है। पीसी का नाम देता हूँ कंसोल पीसी। ऐसे एक कंसोल पीसी लेने से ना थोड़ा फायदा होता है। देखिए, ये हो गया मेरा कंसोल पीसी। तो जैसे मैंने आपको बेसिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बताया था, इट इज मैंडेटरी टू क्रिएट सम बेसिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। अच्छा, आपने क्या किया, आपने इसको दो स्विच से कनेक्ट किया है ना। सो व्हाट यू हैव डन इट, यू हैव जस्ट टेकन टू स्विच, दिस इज two switches. You can rename them. I can make them as a LAN switch. So this is, for example, LAN 1, and this is, for example, LAN 2. Okay, for your information, there is a pre-placement talk which I have shared with you. So please be prepared for Cisco, because पिछले साल का सबसे ज़्यादा पैकेज सिस्को से ही था, 25 लाख का। if you plan it, it will be good for you. But one problem is that they will not allow anyone below throughout career 70% से नीचे होगा तो will not be allowed. So hard luck, I cannot do anything. Anyway, so this is, for example, this is my AUMP router. Now I'm making a connection. So जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे गीगापोर्ट 00 से कनेक्ट किया है, यहाँ पे मैं गीगापोर्ट 01 से, फॉर एग्जांपल, मैंने कनेक्ट कर दिया है। Now what I have to do, I have to just make a configuration. Okay, just have a look. This you need to do it for Aditi. I'm showing it to you. You can go to CLI, but I always practice in this particular fashion. So this is from the PC I'm going to configure. So there are two ways you can configure. One, you can take a router as a DHCP server, or you can also configure it from here. So let's do a very basic configuration, that is enable config T. I'm not okay. So interface, I have to understand which interface. So that's why if you have a confusion, that's why what I did, I told you to go to that configuration mode of that router port and give the IP address. Otherwise, it is always better we should give IP address from here. IP address, then here I'm giving 10.0.0.1 255.255.255. Similarly, I can go and give IP interface gigaport 00, and IP address I have to give 1.0. So you can see, once I give the IP address, this router is ready. Router is ready. But thing is that अगर मैं इस LAN 1 और LAN 2 को थोड़ा विस्तार करता हूँ, मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल, I wanted to make a full campus Wi-Fi. You can write in the report itself that my target is to make this entire campus as a Wi-Fi campus. So what I have to do, I have to take an access point. So here I'm taking access point, here I'm taking access point, and I can give a name as AP1, and here I can give a name as AP2. So again, it is up to your design part how many access point you want to take. It is just the capacity. A lot of factors are there for designing access point. So here I'm designing access point, and I'm also making that connection. So गीगापोर्ट से ही मैं इसको कनेक्ट कर लेता हूँ. इसको भी similarly I'm actually connecting with the gigaport. Now I'm having access port a little faster. See, now we can see I'm going to configure something for LAN 1 and LAN 2, that is DHCP. So to do the DHCP configuration, I'm writing this configuration, that is IP DHCP excluded address. I have to write excluded address 10.0.0.1 से लेके 10.0.0. for example 20 तक, और मैं इसको exclude करना चाहता हूँ. Similarly, I can actually make a excluded address 10.0.0.1 1.1 to 10.0.1 dot, for example, making it 30. Now I have to create two pool IP DHCP pool. This is for example LAN 1. There I have to give default router as LAN 1 is 10.0.0.1. The network I have to specify, this is 10.0.0.0, 255.255.255.0. Then I have to see if I'm having any DNS server is there or not. So these are default router is the main configuration. So I can go and create the next pool, that is IP DHCP pool LAN 2. Then I have to again जो commands है इसको दोहराना पड़ेगा. इसका 1.0 करेंगे, and similarly the default router will be 1.1. So end and WR, because I have configured the DHCP part. Now what I can do, so I have created both the LAN DHCP, this router as a DHCP server. Okay, now you can see this particular two LAN which is connected here. I can take different devices and make them connected. So what I can do, I can take a PC, I can take a laptop, I can take a tablet, I can take a smartphone. Okay, just writing PC, then laptop, then tablet, and then smartphone. I'm just renaming it as a mobile. Now you can do one thing, you can go and check each and every device whether they are getting the IP address properly or not. तो जैसे देखिए इसको IP address properly मिल रहा है. देखिए, this got a IP address, proper IP address. This also got a proper IP address. Okay. This is the little issue with the packet tracer. Otherwise DHCP normally काम करता है. जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया अदिति, इसको आप वाईफाई बनाने के लिए वाईफाई कार्ड लगाना पड़ेगा. सिमिलरली पीसी को भी आपको switch off the power and make it. This is a Wi-Fi card. I am making it, enabling it, and then what I can do, देखिए ये पीसी लैपटॉप इधर कनेक्ट हो गया है, कोई वांदा नहीं है. पीसी इधर कनेक्टेड है, so I can actually test both. So this is IP address I have received, and this laptop also I have received this IP address. I think this is successful. So the moral of the story is here both the network is basically connected. So that's why I told you. So this is a DHCP configuration. So this is the basic configuration you have to make. Then you can make a expansion in between this router to this router. Then go and configure this router to this router. So so I am making this router as a hostel router. I can make changes in the configuration gigaport 00. Here I am creating different network. That is, instead of one, I am making this as a two network. This is, I am making it as a three network. So देखिए एक एडवांटेज यहाँ पे है, एंड में जाइए, okay, just end. Just I am typing end, then I am just writing show run. शो रन में एक चीज देखना है हमें, यहाँ पे क्या इश्यूज हुआ है। यहाँ पे ये इश्यूज हुआ है कि हमने गलत IP DHCP कॉन्फ़िगर किया है, बिकॉज आई हैव चेंज द नेटवर्क। इट्स वेरी सिंपल, वी कैन एक्चुअली नेगेट दिस। जैसे यहाँ पे गलत हो गया, तो गलत हो गया ना, तो इसको एक काम करेंगे ठीक करने के लिए। जैसे मेरा यहाँ पे 01, यहाँ पे 2 नेटवर्क है, 3 नेटवर्क है, तो मुझे ये दोनों पहले का नेटवर्क को हटाना है। तो मैं इसको नो, आई विल पुट नो इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट। ओके, सो यहाँ पे मुझे अगर करना है तो आई विल राइट नो IP DHCP pool LAN 1 and very simple, and no IP DHCP pool LAN 2. So I'll write that. Then I'll be creating LAN pool 3 and LAN pool 4, and here I will be giving 2 network, and I'll be giving here as a 3 network. Clear? देखिए ये मुझे कॉन्फ़िगर करना है, तो आई हैव टू राइट enable config t. That's how we can actually do the manipulation. So I can go and do it here. Let's paste it here, and then end. We can go and change the configuration. Here we can type exit. I'm just changing the host name as hostel, and here I'm going to give the name as config team, host name main. Okay, and I'm just pasting it WR. Now you can go and see the configuration of this device, terminal, okay, and finally you can go and see. Okay, so today I will be covering little security part of it. So this is my hostel router. Now I have to create a connection in between these two router. So I can do what? I can also create a optical fiber cable connection, gigaport 010 to gigaport 010. So what I have to do, after I make it successful, I will be writing interface gigaport 010. Then I'll write no shut, sorry, and I'm giving IP address as 1.1.1.1 255.255.255. So this I am making a configuration at the left side router, the AUMP router here. Okay, and similarly I can go and configure the same thing here in the next router. So what I will go and do it. This is the proper tarika. So here I am pasting it. right click, paste, and now you can see the link between two router is now on. So the basic thing is that link between two router is on. Now I can also create this, uh, for example, this is where it happened, LAN. Okay, इसका नाम चेंज कर देता हूँ, hostel LAN, HLAN1, and I have to just make a configuration from gigaport 00 to gigaport 01, and similarly let me take another PC, another one here, that is I'm making it as a HLAN2, and I'm making a connection from gigaport 10 to gigaport 10, and again I can take a Wi-Fi. So let's take a access point. So hostel 1, and I'm just giving a name as hostel 2. ऐसे बहुत सारा हम एक्सेस पॉइंट लगा सकते हैं, hostel 1, hostel 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a connection in between this and also in between this, and similarly the topology is now complete. Now what we can do, we can actually going to get some more devices, like I can take another mobile phone here, smartphone 1, and let's see, very soon it will be connected. Go to the smartphone, go to the desktop, and yeah, you can see this is getting IP address. Sorry, there was a little mistake in the configuration here. It is my mistake. I need to rectify that. I need to go and check it in the router. Go and do it here. Paste. And then I have to go typing show run. I can check the entire command. If I type show run, I will be able to see. Now it is okay. Properly DHCP pool has been created. No other false commands are there. Now I will not be, so this is a PC. I can delete this computer and I can go and see the IP address. It should now take a proper IP address, 2.21, what I was looking for. So this is how it is connected, getting connected. So this is, you can go and see, this is a topology. This is a small topology. I'm going and deleting this computer here, this one here. Now you can see this is a small topology I have created. Okay, so topo 02. So this is AUMP main block. This is hostel block. So this is the basic configuration. Now I have to have the security purpose. So security purpose means if I actually, okay, fine, I have to take a piece, sorry, or I can take a laptop here. So this laptop is used for the configuration. So let's do it. Let me just go and create a configuration. So RS-232 console port. Now the security part is, first I have to give a IP address. So please remember this. So this is very crucial for me. So first config T, there is a some configuration command that is called service password encryption. So whenever I am creating, so please remember what is service password encryption. Whatever password I will be creating in that router, all will be encrypted. So if I write enable, password, for example, Cisco @ 2021, right? So if I go and type it, and after that, if I type show run, there is a command by which you can see. So show run, you can see this is enable password 7. So this is all password, whatever I will be creating will be encrypted. Again, I am just going to create another username and password. So for example, username, for example, Cisco, password I'm just giving Amity @ 2021, 2021. Then end again, I go and type show run, I can see username Cisco and password is encrypted. So this is one of the best part, that is the command of service password encryption. So this is, we have to include these things in the report, that how to secure a router, we have to use the command service password encryption. Service password encryption command, this is a configuration, you can see that this command is used in the router, that is service password encryption. Whenever we write, this is the configuration mode we have to use. So any password, if it is a plain text password, it will be immediately converted to a encrypted password. So now config T, again I am going and creating some password, that is line console 0, and here also I am creating a password, that is Cisco, and login, and logging synchronous. Similarly, line con, then line VTY 04. Here also I'm creating password as Cisco, then login, and then I'm writing logging synchronous. So this is the basic configuration for creating a line one. So here also, if I go and type show run, if you go and see that show run command, all password are encrypted. So even line configuration, you can see the password, it is again, here you can see the password is encrypted. So that's the base part of the command, that is called service password encryption command. Okay, now you can see this switch. Now in switch also we have to do the same thing. Now in switch there will be some special things. For example, here in this case, when I am just getting connected to the switch, okay, enable, here also we need to write config T and then write service password encryption and create all the basic encrypted password. Here what I will do, whatever the interfaces I am not using, for example, interface range, first Ethernet 01 to 24, all the ports which I am not using, I will make it at shutdown. Okay, so you can see this switch, the effect is this particular switch, if it is not connected to any arbitrary port, no intruder can attack. So I always do service password encryption and then securing that port with the basic configuration, and then make the all port disable. Okay, now make the all port disable is that. Now you can see what we can do from the laptop, from the command prompt. For example, I am connecting telnet, okay, 10.0.0.1. The password is Cisco, then enable, password is Cisco @ 2021. Okay, Then show run, we can see if I get into the any device also, I will not able to see any password available in the computer. So username I can see, but the until unless I get a password, I will not be able to do anything. So if I know one user, I will not be able to do anything until unless I get all the passwords. Right. So you can see this is the best part of using this security. So that's a basic security we need to do. Okay. Now we have to go to little bit of cyber security. So this configuration I have done. So so can please confirm, will you be able to make it? Means the configuration which I have shown it to you, will you be able to make it? Please confirm, students.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yeah. Can I get by this weekend? All of you, please submit the project report.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, now we'll be seeing. If anyone having any difficulty, like Aditi was asking, Aditi is clear to you? Can you now able to make it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now thing is that once we make it, now after that we have to enable some routing and other protocol. So routing we have to make it. So IPv6 in the last class I have demonstrated. So you decide if you can use, see whatever you will make now you have to write. So that is the basic security. Now what I will do, I will request all of you to go through the course which where I have enrolled you. So let me go to the NetAcad and let me go and no. So let's just configure this basic one, and after that I will request all of you to just go and try this test. This is a not a mandatory one, but this is giving you additional certificate. I think all of you can actually remember what Cindy said in his in her meeting. The basic thing, you have to complete all the basic classes, then you can go for the advanced classes. But anyway, we'll teach IoT security in that. I'm going to teach next semester for Sanidhya. These students will be learning that IoT security. So, and the basic cyber security I'll be having. But before that, these basic courses, na, if you can complete, it will be helpful for you. Now, where it will be helpful, I'm telling you. I have sent a mail to you. Can you just all check this mail? A mail or a WhatsApp message I have sent it to you regarding that is a mandatory pre-placement talk Ideathon. Ideathon, all students can participate. I am posting it in the group. So third year, fourth year, all students can participate. Okay. Now Ideathon is one of the way you can get into that Cisco placement. So this is the internship and placement opportunity. This is one way, or and also this can give you some mileage. So you can see BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA, all can eligible. This is graduation year is
हेलो
batch
सर।
of 2022. हाँ बताइए।
सर ये जो सिस्को के लिए 7 CGP कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, ये इस 6 सेमेस्टर का करेंगे या जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसके बाद से करेंगे?
नहीं अभी तक 6 सेमेस्टर तक।
मतलब 6
सेमेस्टर
सेमेस्टर का
तक
इंक्लूड करके या फिर एक्सक्लूड?
6 सेमेस्टर का अभी तो आप इंक्लूड कर नहीं सकते ना, आपका जो एग्जिस्टिंग सीजीपीए चल रहा है उसको आपको डालना पड़ेगा ना।
तो सर 6.9 पे नहीं डाल सकते ना?
अरे डाल के 7 लिख के अप्लाई तो कर दो, फिर बाद में देखा जाएगा ना। 7 हो गया तो ठीक, नहीं तो फिर बाद में एचआर राउंड में टाटा ही बोलेगा और क्या करेगा, ज्यादा तो कुछ करेगा नहीं ना।
सर साथ ही करवा दो सर, कुछ करवा
देखिए
दो।
आप एक, अरे वो अभी मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, मैं कोशिश कर सकता हूँ बट कांट मेक एनी कमिटमेंट बेटा। चलिए, सी दिस इज Cisco is one of the number one networking company. So This is a pre-placement talk. Just listen to the talk. This is mandatory for the batch of 2022, but all the students, those who are in pre-final year, also can able to sit for this, pre-placement talk. Please book your seat for the pre-placement talk. You will be able to see that form. I do not know why the form is not opening. Otherwise, I have shared this form with you. All of you, please, check this form. I'm not able to see. Maybe the server is down, or maybe some issues are there. But please register. 2022-23, both the batch students can register for this, for pre-placement talk, and for can also be sitting for Ideathon. For Ideathon, that is not a problem. So there are two things here. One is Ideathon. First is virtual pre-placement talk, so that you will be getting idea about what Cisco is doing and how Cisco is going to take the placement. See, they're very strict, and I'm telling you that they only recruit 10% of the applicants. I do not know the reason for behind all those things. Last semester, we have 5 candidates in the HR round, and out of 5, only Ashish Mishra was the candidate who got selected into Cisco. And I was very hopeful all 5 students will be there. I was present, but HR doesn't have any control. They clear all the technical round. HR में कॉन्फिडेंट था, बट उनको लगा कि बात करके ना वो समझ लेते हैं देयर यू आर ए गुड एसेट और नॉट, बट देयर HR is very strong. Now please listen to this virtual pre-placement talk. That is basically good for you. और अगर आप सिलेक्ट हो गए तो आपको ये सारा कोर्स कंप्लीट करना ही पड़ेगा. So that's why I created this course for you. ये कोर्स मैंडेटरी है, मतलब ये कोर्स जो है CCNA DevOps, ये मैंडेटरी कोर्स है. इफ यू आई एम होपफुल एवरीवन विल गेट सिलेक्टेड. अदरवाइज मुझे ये कोर्स फिर से करवाना पड़ेगा. अगर सिस्को ने ये कोर्स करवाया ना, बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. प्रॉब्लम इसीलिए हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो हर एक एग्जाम वो सिक्योर मैनर में करते हैं. मतलब आई हैव सीन देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस. देयर वाज 80% कैंडिडेट हु फेल इन द एग्जाम इटसेल्फ. तो ये रिस्क आप लोग मत उठाइए. पिछले बार यही कारण था जब आपके फर्स्ट राउंड के बाद बच्चे सेकेंड राउंड में आया. एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी में एप्लीकेशंस वाज फ्रॉम द एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी इटसेल्फ, द एप्लीकेंट वाज 747 ऑड. एंड ये जो सिस्को डेवॉप का जो कोर्स उन्होंने ऑफर किया था 7 दिन का, उसमें पास हुआ ओनली 34. You see the percentage who got rejected in that, but those who are actually out of 34, there was already 7 students who was already completed DevOps before. तो उनको मतलब वाइल्ड कार्ड एंट्री मिल गया था because they have to submit that one. That's why it was told in last meeting with Cisco कि सर सारे बच्चों को बोल दीजिए ये सारे कोर्स ना कंप्लीट करके रखें. तो ये अगर कंप्लीट कर लिया आपने, इसीलिए मैंने नेटाकाट का कोर्स आप लोगों को बोला था. खाली आपको सर्टिफिकेट मांगेगा कि आप ये 3-4 कोर्सेज का सर्टिफिकेट दे दो. अगर आप बोलेगा नहीं सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है, तो बोलेगा ठीक है हम आपको कोर्स कराते हैं. जब कोर्स कराएंगे तो मतलब उल्टा सीधा क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट करते हैं, एंड विच यू विल नॉट गेट इट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. सी इट इज रिकॉर्डेड वन, सो so I'm telling it very careful about completing all those courses. See, you have to be very serious about placement because India wide last year it was 1,78,000 applicants, and they finally took around how many 200 odd people. So that is the rejection ratio. 2-2.5 लाख से 200 ही लेते हैं. 0.1% is the selection, and that's why it was my dream job. I applied 3 times, I got rejected. I'm telling you very frankly, बहुत luck factor होता है. So if you can get into that, life is set. अभी मेरा जो दोस्त है वो लोग some friend is earning around I think 80 lakhs per month, 80 lakhs per annum. One of my senior who was a project manager, he is getting 5 crores per annum. That's the salary you can expect in 20 years down the line. So that's why it is Cisco. So you decide how. That's why it is, na. A couple of my students still earning 50 to 60 lakhs, or they're very starting stage. So I'm telling top performers get in crores in a yearly salary. So that's why it was my one of the dream jobs. So plan it. See the career path of Ashish Bhaiya, Ashish Mishra. He will be getting 3-4 years. He will be very soon. He will be getting 70-80 lakhs package. So that's what Cisco is. I have closely worked with their vendors. A lot of things are there. So I'm just, my job is to motivate you so that you can get placed into such big companies like Cisco. Even if you compare Cisco, Microsoft, Google, uh, the paymaster is Google is a very good paymaster is okay. Cisco pay better than Google in some areas. If you go outside Asia Pacific region, Cisco is the paymaster. If you see India, number one is Google, then Cisco, then Microsoft. So then after that IBM, Intel, all those companies comes. Even IBM is not that much good about the payment. Okay. So anyway, I just give some motivational talk, so you will get to know the pre-placement talk itself. Please don't miss it. Please tell your friends to join. See, it is up to you. I have listened to the pre-placement talks several times. I have been party to it. This time they told me to be part of this, virtual, program, but I didn't participate as a speaker. Sorry, I was not involved, but I give a lot of speech in that. So I have been one of the mentor in Cisco Global Academy curriculum, Cisco Network Academica. I am one of the mentors. So I know that how they are very they're very much particular about the quality. So you know mm, so this time there is no best prize for this project, but last time they created a best prize for that best project. That's why I'm just telling to complete a basic project, so that you will be having the basic idea. This is a practical part. Practice it, come back tomorrow and ask me, and I will be able to help you. So today I'm just going to tell you something. What is a router? Router is basically having a routing table. So just listen to that. So this router is having a routing table. You can see this router is having a routing table where these two networks are missing. What are the networks missing? The networks which are there, that is 1.1.1.0. Sorry, this is the common network. So 10.0.0.1 and 2 is there. So what is missing? The missing part is, that is, I don't have this network. Okay. So what I can do, I need to write a routing. I need to configure a routing. So the configuration is IP root. The missing network is 10.0.0. यहाँ पे कौन कौन सा नेटवर्क है? 0 network is there and 1 network is there. So which is missing? 2 network and 3 network. Sorry, 2.0, 255.255.255.0. और ये किस IP से कनेक्टेड है? 1.1.1.2 से कनेक्टेड है. So that's why I need to go and configure this two in that routing. So ये देखिए इसमें क्या क्या नेटवर्क है. Just don't see that L part. Just go and check the C part. C part को देखिए. C part में क्या है? 1.1.1.0 ये नेटवर्क से कनेक्टेड है. तो ये मेरा कनेक्टेड नेटवर्क है जो गीगापोर्ट 010 है. वो इसको इग्नोर मारिए. फिर देखिए यहाँ पे कौन सा नेटवर्क है? 10.0.0.0. तो मेरे पास जो नेटवर्क है 10.0.0.0, ये मेरा पहला राउटर का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. यू जस्ट गो एंड चेक इट इन द नेक्स्ट राउटर. ये हमें देखना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू कंपेयर बोथ द राउटर. सो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट राउटर. यू जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, प्लीज आस्क. देखिए नॉर्मली नेटवर्क में कब राउटिंग कॉन्फ़िगर करना पड़ता है, यहाँ पे राउटर, ये जो राउटर है ये कनेक्टेड है मेरा होम नेटवर्क के साथ, तो यहाँ पे राउटर AUMP जो राउटिंग टेबल है, यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे मेरा 10.0.0.0 है और यहाँ पे 2.0 और 3.0 है, जो यहाँ पे नहीं है। तो ये जो AUMP का राउटर है, I have to configure these two network, that is 2.0 and 3.0, and that will be connected through 1.1.1.2. That's why I'm configuring. So IP route 10.0.0.2.0, ये लेफ्ट साइड में 2.0 और 3.0 नहीं है, इसलिए मैं इसको कॉन्फ़िगर कर रहा हूँ। So again, I have to write enable and config t. I have to go and make this configuration here using that laptop. So I just go to the laptop, go and type it, and okay. So this is connected to switch. I have to change it. I have to change it means I have to connect it to this particular router. So I'm connecting to this particular router. Sorry. And I'm making the configuration. What I'm making the configuration, go to the terminal, and now, okay, sorry, I just made a password. I think the password was what was the password? Password was MET. I did want to
Maybe
see.
that was Cisco IP.
Yeah, Cisco at the rate 2021. No. Sorry, that
So
that was a
that's
simple
Cisco.
Cisco. That was a
Yes.
simple Cisco.
And this
This
is
was a Cisco at the rate
2021.
Yeah. So see that's a security purpose. If I don't know the password, I cannot do anything. Okay. So sorry, just made a mistake. I just forgot to. Here I have to go and type it in the laptop, and this is the configuration which I need to do here in that left router, and again I have to go and configure it in the right router. What I have to configure? Go and configure. The missing part is here. The missing part was, इसमें क्या है, 0 नहीं था और 1 नहीं था, और 0 और 1 ये कनेक्टेड था 1.1.1 और 1.1.1.1 से। इसको मुझे अगेन कॉन्फ़िगर करना है। have to go and configure here in the right router. So now if I go and test it, I can see both the router. Now you see both the router, all networks have come. This is a static route. This is so all the network. So you see 1.1.1.0 network is there. Then 10.0.0.0 network is there. Then 10.1.0 network is there. Then 2 is there and 3 is there. Here also 0, 1, 2, 3. So that means all routers are now properly configured. Now if I actually ping from this laptop to PC, I will be able to ping it. Okay. See, now this ping packet is successful. You go and see, it will be, go to the simulator mode, you can see how the packet is going. Laptop से access point में आया, this is the path. This is called routing path. So after that, this access point is sending it to this particular LAN, then it will go to the AUMP path. Very simple routing. Then from AUMP it is going to this hostel. Now it is deciding that whether, see, now router has to decide whether it is sending to this LAN or this hostel, because there are different paths. This router is connected to three, this has three hands, so router has to decide कि मैं किस रास्ते से इसको भेजूं। तो इसको पता चल गया, अच्छा इसको पता चल गया कि इस रास्ते से भेजना है, तो ये इस रास्ते से भेजना है, and then packet it will be sending again. This router has to decide मैं कहाँ से कहाँ तक भेजूं, and finally this router will be sending it to the smartphone. तो देखो लैपटॉप से स्मार्टफोन, स्मार्टफोन से लैपटॉप ये कनेक्ट हो पाएगा. So that is what we have to do. Similarly, अगर मुझे स्मार्टफोन से पीसी को पिंग करना है, again this is possible. Now we can go and check it. Now this is a different path. You can see ये एक्सेस पॉइंट आएगा, एक्सेस पॉइंट से फिर LAN तक पहुंचेगा, LAN तक पहुंचने के बाद AUMP राउटर तक पहुंचेगा, then this is going through this path, and after that this is going through this path, and this finally this is going through this path, and this is actually been sent. Okay, just give me a second. हाँ सर, हाँ हाँ बताइए. Just give me a second. I'll be back. Okay.